Hey guys. In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best surveillance camera system in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Hkixdiste SST Pick 5MXY0942 Surveillance Camera System. 8CH POE 5.0MP IP NVR Recorder. Strong network server. With peer-to-peer cloud function. With H.265 high-efficiency video compression. Auto white balance, auto gain control, backlight comp. HDD interface SATA, support between 500 GB and 8 TB. Motion detection recording. Email alert and alarm notification. Number 4. Techage 605G AI50 Security Camera System. Real-time two-way audio communication. POE NVR, H.265 8CH 5MP POE NVR. Motion detection and email alert and alarm sound. AI human body detection alarm. IP66 waterproof security camera. Video with smart playback. Remote access anytime, anywhere. Power supply, DC 48 volts. Video compression, H.265/H.264 all support. Encode capacity, 8CH 5MP, can up to 16CH 5MP. Video outputs, HDMI, VGA. Recording resolution, 5MP. Number 3. G.Craftsman GCK8A50 CCTV Camera System. IP video input, 8 PCS outdoor per waterproof IP cameras. Video outputs, VGA, HDMI, for monitor and HD TV. Compression format, H.265/H.264. Waterproof, works perfectly outdoor as well as indoor. 5MP Super HD resolution. Plug and play POE system. Smart IR cut finite vision. Motion detection. The NVR has motion detection function. HDD capacity: 1 HDD, max to 8 TB. Computer operating system: Windows, macOS 10.9 and higher version. Number 2. Asecam AS6VP1522 Surveillance Camera System. 48 volts HD 5MP POE NVR. VGA or HDMI video output. H.265 compression format. Digital Full HD 5 megapixel for crystal clear videos. Remote access anytime, anywhere. Motion detection and email alert. Loop recording and playback. 4K HDMI and VGA interface, choice of output port. Full HD cover, more details and space. Alarm timely whenever there is emergency. 1 SATA port, up to 6 TB each. 2 USB 2.0 port. Number 1. Annke 48 POE plus i51 DJ 5 megapixel security camera. Enjoy 5 megapixel Ultra HD visual feast. The most cutting-edge H.265 plus video compression. Super easy POE installation. Smart motion triggered alerts. Amazing X-night vision for 24/7 coverage. 4K video output to display ultra clearness. powerful NVR with strong compatibility. Durable IP67 weatherproof housing. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. In this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this in future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.